Oogie boogie. Oh my. That's pretty cool. Oh, they have those little goblin things. I don't think they're plugged in. This must be all their Halloween things. What are these? Zombie dog? I haven't seen the zombie dog. What's that? Lights? What do they do?
I want Mickey Mouse.
Oh, those are cool. What? Mickey?
Mickey Mouse.
It's a dog.
Are you on sale yet? It looks like $1.
I don't think it's $1. Does anyone want the zombie dog? Get the one behind it. Let's see. What else is there? Sure. And I said no. Go ahead. Oh. We're gonna have to get a cart to put that in. Yeah. Okay, so we got 2 inflatables.
We got dog.
Where'd we go? Home Depot. They were 50% off. We got a Mickey Mouse and a zombie dog, monster dog, zombie dog, and we're going to unbox.
I got to unbox them now.
Look at Dudley. He's like, are you people serious? Another one of these things?
I can put it into zombie goal. Zombie dog. Put it into here.
Vampire Mickey. And he just said that we didn't have a Mickey, but I had to remind him that he just opened a Mickey head.
He woke up quick.
He does. He's cute. Look at his...
Oh my god, look how big it makes.
Look at that vampire Mickey. Cute.
Okay, look at making mine.
Oh my. Look at that monster dog.
He's fat.
How, baby?
Well,
He's fat.
Okay.
it's not nice to tell people they're fat, okay? Oh yeah, he's bigger than you. He's kind of cute. Oh, he's got like a cape.
Like Super Mickey.
Super Mickey. All right, turn the light off. Let's see if that gives us any. Mickey and Monster Dog. He's so cute.
Bring it down.
Oh, yeah.
Better.
That one Mickey Mouse we have, he doesn't stand up real well. The Christmas Mickey. And down the dog goes.
Well, he kind of moves
Hey!
too.
Yeah, but he stands up a lot better.
A little help, please.
All right, we're going to put them out back and see what they look like.
Oh, can I put it in the box? No.
Okay. So it's really windy out. So we can't put them out front yet because all of our inflatables are down here. But we're going to inflate them out back because the house kind of blocks some of the wind. Oh, starting to blow.
Uh-huh. Oh, sorry, taking a dump.
Okay.
Oh, gross. What is that? That we farted out here.
Okay.
Good gravy.
I keep blowing off.
So zombie dog monster, he takes a little bit to yeah. Look at Mickey swaying in the wind. We'll have to find them a home in our front yard, in our collection. Yes, they're cute. Oh, there goes the wind. Whee!
Help! I got put her back inside. Here we go. Zombie dog. Zombie dog.
Ouch!
Bye. Say bye, Mason. Bye.
See you next time.